Is your floating video call not working, or is your Messenger video call picture-in-picture not working on Facebook Messenger? Recently, some Messenger users keep saying the Messenger floating or picture-in-picture video call not working on Android. So, after analyzing these issues, here I present the top 4 proven solutions that will fix picture-in-picture or floating video calls. So, let's get started. First, open Setting, scroll down, tap Privacy Protection, scroll down, tap Special Permission, tap Display over other apps, find Messenger apps, toggle this option. Now go back, scroll down, tap Picture-in-Picture, find your Messenger apps, toggle on this option as well. After that, open your setting, scroll down, tap Notification and Control Center. Tap Floating Notification. Now look for a Messenger. Enable Messenger. Open up this app. Toggle on this option called Allow Floating Notification. Now scroll down to Call. Also enable Allow Floating Notification. Do the same process for your chat. Open this app to enable Allow Floating Notification. After that, check your problem. After following all the processes, your floating video call will start to work again. Now, for some reason, if you still have issues and can't enable the floating notification, open the Google Play Store, tap Search, type Messenger. Now check for new software update. If you found a new update, just update it, your problem will be solved. After following all the work accordingly, you'll be able to solve your Facebook Messenger floating video call not working. If you still have a problem, let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.